When it comes to home security, smart doorbells with integrated cameras are a game changer. Imagine sitting on your couch, binging the latest crime drama, and receiving a notification that someone's at your door. Is it a friendly delivery driver or the villain from the show? You don't need to guess anymore. Your doorbell will do the detective work for you. Let's dive into the world of smart doorbells, where technology meets security in the most entertaining way possible. Number 10. August View. Stylish yet effective. The August View smart doorbell is the epitome of sleek, modern design that doesn't compromise on functionality. With its minimalist aesthetics, this doorbell looks more like a high-end gadget than a security device, making it a great addition to any stylish home. But don't be fooled by its appearance. This beauty packs a punch. Equipped with 1440 resolution, the August View ensures that you see every detail, day or night. Add to that a 120-degree field of view and night vision capabilities, and you have a reliable guardian that's as sophisticated as it is effective. You'll be ready to fend off both intruders and design critics with this smart doorbell gracing your entrance. Number 9. SimpliSafe Doorbell Pro, the master of simplicity. Simplicity is often underrated, but the SimpliSafe Doorbell Pro knows how to make it work to your advantage. This doorbell keeps things straightforward with a quick and easy installation process that even the most tech-averse can handle. Once it's set up, you're treated to crisp 1080p resolution with HDR imaging, which means your footage will be clear, no matter the lighting conditions. SimpliSafe cuts out the frills and gives you exactly what you need: a doorbell that works consistently, whether you're monitoring the neighborhood kids or keeping an eye on unexpected visitors. Plus, no hidden fees or subscriptions mean you're getting a reliable service without the headaches. Number 8. Doorbell S, small but mighty. Sometimes the best things come in small packages, and the Doorbell S is proof of that. This compact doorbell may not be the biggest on the market, but it more than makes up for it with powerful features. With a 180-degree field of view, 1080p video resolution, and customizable motion zones, this doorbell gives you all the tools to keep a close watch on your home. Whether you're looking to monitor package deliveries or just keep an eye on who's visiting, the Doorbell S has got you covered. Its size may be deceiving, but don't underestimate its ability to provide top-notch security in a user-friendly format. Number 7. Ecobee Smart Video Doorbell. Smart and sustainable. Ecobee is known for its eco-friendly approach to smart home technology, and the Smart Video Doorbell is no exception. In addition to offering high-definition night vision and a wide 175-degree field of view, this doorbell can withstand extreme weather conditions, making it a great choice for those who live in more challenging climates. With sustainability at the forefront of its design, this doorbell ensures you're not only protecting your home, but also contributing to a greener future. It's built to last, even when Mother Nature is at her worst, so you can rest easy knowing your home is secure in any season. Number 6. Vivint Doorbell Camera Pro, the Delivery Defender. Vivint's Doorbell Camera Pro takes security to the next level by actively defending your deliveries. Not only does this doorbell capture high-definition footage of your front porch, but it also uses advanced motion detection to identify and deter potential package thieves. With a built-in speaker that plays a warning message when someone gets too close to your parcels, this device is like having a security guard at your door. The sleek design doesn't hurt either. It's a stylish addition to any entryway, and its ability to scare off porch pirates with just a few words makes it a must-have for anyone who shops online. Number 5. Nest Doorbell Battery. The Google Assistant MVP. The Nest Doorbell from Google is more than just a security camera. It's a personal assistant that happens to live at your front door. Equipped with Google Assistant, this doorbell can answer questions, play music, and even control your smart home devices, all while keeping an eye on who's knocking. The doorbell's HDR video ensures that even when lighting conditions aren't ideal, your footage will be crystal clear. And with person, package, and animal detection, you'll always know exactly who or what is hanging around your doorstep. This is the doorbell for those who want it all: security, convenience, and a bit of high-tech flair. Number 4. Eufy Video Doorbell Dual. Double the cameras, double the fun. Eufy is shaking things up with its dual camera setup, offering twice the coverage in one sleek package. This smart doorbell features not just one, but two cameras, one facing out towards visitors and the other aimed down to monitor packages. No more wondering whether your latest online order made it safely to your doorstep. You can watch the delivery unfold in real time and catch the delivery driver's Olympic-level balancing act as they stack your boxes. With high-resolution video and advanced AI detection, the Eufy Video Doorbell Dual offers top-tier security, while making sure you'd never miss a package again. Number 3. Arlo Video Doorbell Second Generation for the 2-key enthusiasts. Arlo's second-generation video doorbell is designed for those who demand the best in video quality. Whether you opt for the HD or 2K model, you're in for a treat. The doorbell's 180-degree field of view ensures that you won't miss a single detail, from your visitor's facial expressions to the sneaky movements of that neighborhood cat. The 2K resolution makes everything look as crisp as a Hollywood movie, and the advanced motion detection means you'll get alerts that matter. This is the doorbell for those who want to feel like they're watching their front porch in IMAX. Number 2. Wyze Video Doorbell 2, the budget hero. Wyze is known for delivering quality tech at unbeatable prices, and the Video Doorbell 2 is no exception. At under $50, this doorbell offers features that rival those of much pricier models, including 2K video capture and a generous 166.8-degree field of view. Plus, with a built-in microSD card slot, you can store your footage locally without the need for a subscription. This is a big deal for those who want to keep an eye on things without signing up for yet another monthly service. Despite its budget-friendly price, the Wyze Video Doorbell 2 is a heavyweight when it comes to protecting your home. Number 1. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2, the gold standard. Topping the list is the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2, a device that takes smart security to a whole new level. With radar-based 3D motion detection, this doorbell doesn't just tell you who's at the door, it shows you where they've been and where they're headed. The high-resolution video and color night vision mean that you'll never miss a detail, no matter what time of day it is. Add in the wide 150-degree field of view and built-in Alexa integration, and you've got a doorbell that not only keeps you safe, but also makes you feel like you're living in the future. With the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2, you're not just answering the door, you're controlling your entire security system from the palm of your hand. And there you have it, folks. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of smart doorbells and want more tech reviews, don't forget to ring our digital bell by smashing that like button. And while you're at it, hit subscribe so you'll always know when we're at your door with fresh new content.